Hello guys, welcome to another beautiful session with me, and today I'm going to walk you through how to design a new month flyer in Photoshop. Without wasting time, let's get into it. This will be a very simple design, and within short minute of time we are done. So let's get started. We start by giving our project a name, and I'll call it October month, and I will go by these settings. And when that is achieved, I click on create. Very simple and straightforward. Let's go to our gallery and let's start to drag our image in. Let's start by this. Let's drag this one in. What we are going to do is to click Hold Shift and Alt on our keyboard, and we are going to drag this, fill in the background. And when that is achieved, we click on Mark. We go back to our gallery again. Then we are going to drag this one in, drag it in, place it here, drag it to the top. Then we are going to scale it a bit, scale it. Alright, click OK. So one more thing we are going to do, click on Add Plus here to create a new layer. Then press B on our keyboard, change the vulgar color to white, then increase the size. Then we are going to tap on this side, double tap. I want to blend this side. Okay, let me reduce it. Okay, fine. Then click OK. So let's group it and Control G to group. Name it BG background. Alright, and after achieving this, let's go back to our gallery again and let's drag this one in, drag it in, drag the image in. So we are going to reduce the size. Let's scale it down, then drag it to this side. When you are done, click on Mark. Then we are going to centralize it. Alright. So let's start by writing our text. C on our keyboard. So we start by writing September. Nice. Country to selector. So go to property. Then we are going to use this color and change it. So use this color. This is the color code. Exactly. Then click OK. Alright. And this is the font I'm using, Trouble font. Alright, and I'm cool with this. So place it here. Move it to this side. Then increase it. Alright, let me centralize it. Awesome, and I'm cool with this. So what I will do next is to duplicate it. Go back to our layer, then duplicate it, Ctrl J to duplicate, and I'm going to drag the duplicate, the one I duplicated to the back of the image. So what I will do on this, I will now work on this, the first one, and I'm going to go to the fill. So erase the fill. Alright, so go to this adjustment layer, So go to this and go to blending option. Go to from stroke, then increase the size to 2 outside. Go by these settings and to make sure the color is white, and when you are done you click on OK. So what you are going to do is just to increase this one a bit. I think I'm cool with this, and I love the way it is like this. So I think we are good to go. So one more thing, let's go type text on our keyboard. This is the name of the font. This is the font I'm using for this particular one. So click on OK, and we are going to reduce the size to 24. Let's group all this image together. So I'm going to move it down like this. Let's just centralize everything here. Okay, fine, awesome. So let's go back to our gallery. Let's drag this one in. Let's drag this one in. Scale it. These are our contacts. Awesome. So let's go back to our gallery again and let's drag our logo. Let's drag it in. Reduce the size of the logo. Fine. So let me just group this one as well. So let's give it a finishing touch. So what we are going to do next is just to create a new layer and press B on our keyboard. Reduce the size of the keyboard, the size of the brush. Then we are going to tap on this side. Awesome. So let me change change it to screen. Alright, V on our keyboard. Then I'm going to duplicate it. Ctrl J to duplicate. Then V on our keyboard. And I'm going to move it here. Somewhere here. Yeah. Ctrl J again. I'm going to move this one here. Somewhere around this place. Ctrl J again. I'm going to reduce the size of this one, and I will move it somewhere around this place. Yeah, I just want the touch of light to be around the image, and just to give it a new dimension of lighting. Alright, and with that I'm cool and I'm good to go. So let's group this and let's name it. Let's just name it Glow. Awesome. And you can see this design is simple and it's beautiful. And with this we come to the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial to the end. I hope you are able to learn new things here. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. This is the only way you can help me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Keep creating, keep engaging, keep learning. Bye for now.